Tile floor repairs don't have to be hard. This is an oscillating multi-tool. I'm going to use it to grind out all the old grout. First, you want to saturate the grout lines with water, and this will help cut down on the dust. Then use your shop vac to clean up any of the remnants and smash the damaged tile into a bunch of pieces. This is oddly cathartic. You'll also have thin set underneath that tile, so you want to remove that. And if you have an uncoupling membrane, like in this case, you'll want to make relief cuts in that with that same tool. That's going to be important. Again, you can saturate it with water to cut down on the dust. Now in this case, I'm going to be using DITRA, and I'm cutting it slightly smaller than the tile we're going to be installing. You want to shop vac out the area again. Make sure you use thin set to install the DITRA. Mix up the thin set to a thin consistency, and then apply that to the recess using your trowel. Compress the DITRA into that and fill the cavities in the DITRA with more thin set mortar. It has to be either unmodified or Schluter all set, and clean out the perimeter of that recess with your finger. Then what you can do is back butter this large format tile. These are plank tiles. They're greater than 15 inches long. You also want to apply thin set to your recess and directionally trowel more thin set on the back of that tile and set it in place. If you get any thin set in the grout joints, you can remove that using your margin trowel, and then you can use horseshoe shims between the new tile and the old tiles to get a consistent grout joint. So hopefully these tips help you replace a damaged floor tile.